So this is a non-original ink cartridge. It's the 304XL black. If I peel off the sticker, this one peels off a bit easier than the original HP ones. Now we can see here that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 possible places where I can put the syringe in to inject the ink. So I'm going to spread out the ink distribution among those 4 holes, and these are the tiny little channels that allow the air to breathe from the edge of the sticker. So whilst the sticker covers these 4 holes, and if your sticker's lost its stickiness, then just use some sellotape, then as long as you don't cover those breather holes, it'll be okay. Now I'm going to put some paper down so that I don't make a mess. Okay, so mount the cartridge on a level surface. Open up the black ink, and this one's new, so it's got a little foil cap on there. You don't need to peel that off. We can actually pierce through there with the hypodermic. Okay, so I'm going to draw up 2, 4, 5 milliliters of ink. Now I'm going to distribute those amongst these holes evenly. So I push it in as far as I can, and I'm going to put 1 milliliter in there. A milliliter in that one, a milliliter in that one, and the last of it in there. Now when you put this back into your printer, it's not going to recognize that the ink is full. Remember, it's software that tells you how much ink is in the cartridge. It's got absolutely nothing to do with the amount of ink that's in it. It's literally software doing an estimation. And in one of my previous videos, I've taught you how to unclog this printer head if it's dried out. Essentially, never let them dry out. When you buy the printer cartridge, it comes with a little plastic cover, and that keeps the printer head moist on that little pad. If you're worried that it is drying out a bit on there, then you can literally, I've just dripped some water on there from under the kitchen tap, and then you can store them, and it will keep the print head moist.